Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to DenLou, Ontario, a small community with a long local history. People began settling here more than a century ago, working the land and building a life in this rural part of the province. In the early days, farming was the main way of life, and many of those family roots are still here today. The name DenLou comes from combining part of the surname Denton with part of the surname Lou, belonging to early local families. Over the years, the town has grown slowly, keeping its quiet and welcoming atmosphere. You can still see signs of its history in the older homes, barns, and community buildings. Whether you're here for a short visit or a longer stay, DenLou is a pleasant spot to explore and enjoy. Thank you for joining us on this tour of DenLou, Ontario.